like a boy cut. I was kinda, I'm not that I'm I'm not that fat before. Not that fat, not that skinny kind of. So that cut suits me well because because I was not that big, but afterwards I haven't done that anymore. But I don't know if it suits me well. Here or I guess. I like short hair, but not too short. Because it makes my face round. Are you stylish, Beth? Are you stylish or something? Hi, Shell. I don't know what's there's not here here in that town there's no good stylish maybe there I don't know. That's why. So what suits well in my facial?
Celebrity Collab Edition is co-presented by Maya.
That's cool. That's why your channel is more. But why is it that your channel is more of women having bald hair, shaving their heads off? Hi, Jokey. You've been in my live stream right a while ago, right? How are you? This is my first time to go live stream. 2 hours plus, almost 3 hours.
Hello, team online! Ito na rin natin dito. First section 9. Muli ito ang TVB Collab 2.0 show ang
I'm not really that adventurous to when it comes to haircut. I just like neat and some easy to wear. Yeah. Maybe in some countries there are those ladies who are very adventurous. But Filipinas, no. I never seen Filipinas with wild hair cut something. I never seen that here in the Philippines. I don't know, in the city, in the big city. Yeah, there are women shaving their heads and it's no, I cannot. I'm not that. No, I cannot. I only like my hair shorter, but short hair, but not shaving.
Yeah. Na walking medyo natakot siya
Saan si Mavi o si Cassie?
Ayaw talaga yung
Hi, Pyro. Yeah, men are very good stylists also. There are some men here in the Philippines who are styling hair for women. I don't know. Hi, Fire. Marriage is not something to be joke around, Pyro.